Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Mohammed Shamun Pasha, and you are watching my channel, Pasha's Corner. So today the topic of discussion would be Kashmir issue, the issue of Kashmir that's happening between Pakistan and India since 7 decades. So before we continue, I have to tell you that my channel was down for a long time. And I've decided to activate it again. So the things that are going to be a part of my channel, the videos that I'm going to upload are going to be about the lectures of political science, international relations, sometimes discussions like I'm doing right now in this video on current affairs, and I'm going to be giving lectures also about English conversation and grammar to all my Pakistani and Indian and whoever there is a person who wants to learn English as a second language. Okay, then I will also give reactions on different videos, and we would also have gossips on this channel, and I would also give tips for success in midterms and final exams in semester wise, in semester going institutes or people who are in degrees like I'm doing BS political science right now. So we have a semester system, so I'm going to upload videos on those tips also, and sometimes we are going to have guests on my channel and some Pakistani exams and different tests that are going on in Pakistan, like the Central Superior Service, CSS, the PMS and stuff like that. We are going to upload videos on tips and tricks and also syllabus and upcoming dates of those stuff sometimes. And after that, we're going to have motivational videos on my channel too. And if you haven't subscribed it yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get information, because I'm going to upload every week, and that's not going to stop anywhere. Okay, so whatever it was, let's move on to the topic of discussion, that is Kashmir issue. So Kashmir is a beautiful place. It's recognized as a beautiful place, but in reality, recognizing again, if you look at the bloodshed that is happening since 7 decades, it has vilified the beauty of Kashmir. So Kashmir is in the north east part, northwest part somewhere, but the northern part of Pakistan, the eastern part, it's disputed. So there's a line of control, but there isn't a demarcation between Pakistan and India so far. This is a disputed area. It has been there more like there have been the death toll that is exceeding more than 0.1 million. It's exceeding nowadays too. So this dispute, why hasn't it come to a solution? Please put your comments onto this question that I've asked. Why do you think that there is no solution for Kashmir issue? Why it has been, some sort of a figure of speech? It is a figure of speech in Pakistan. If you talk about an unsolvable issue, you always say this has turned into Kashmir issue. So why has that happened? And what about the killings over there? Is it a genocide? Like, what kind of political game is it? I mean, there has to be a solution. What is the entire world doing? What are the the UN, the United Nations, and other, OIC, the Islamic conferences, whatever, big organizations that having international, community, why isn't there a solution, proposed for Kashmir issue? Why a lot of social activists, just like Malala Yousafzai of Pakistan, why isn't she talking about Kashmir? She brags about different other stuff and other, major problems. But I'm not targeting anyone over here. I'm just saying, why doesn't there seem to be a solution on this very issue that happens to be living for like 72 years, more than 70 years? It is going from generation to generation. And you know, a lot of people, they don't understand this kind of circumstance. I myself, yeah, I'm sitting right here, I'm making a video. How would I know what brutality is going on in Kashmir? And how would the viewers know? Just imagine yourself being living in an area which is, you know, endangered, is, you know, a red area for you, and you know, if you go outside, you're killed. You know, there's no chance of living. If you wake up one day and your little brother right in front of you, he leaves to school and he doesn't return. You go out looking for him, you know, you find his dead body, you know, being shot on the head or chest, whatever it is, and you find it right there. Can you visualize that? Can you imagine that? Leave that. Your father, like just if I take my example, I'm at home right now. I have nothing to worry about. I'm here making videos and posting them on YouTube, right? Or maybe I'm studying for a couple of hours and going to university. No more responsibilities. What if you know, someday I wake up and there is no family to talk about. There is no family to live around. Why? Because they went out for grocery shopping or a walk and they're killed, slaughtered. You know, a lot of women are being raped in that area. And did I say an Indian person or a Muslim or a, you know, a military person or a militant did it? Did a military personnel did it? No. I don't point out those stuff because I'm talking on humanitarian ground. What do you think? Is there a solution, or it's just, you know, unsolvable mystery? What do you people think? Please leave your comments, because this is a discussion. It's not a video that you watch and, you know, when it ends you're going to go to sleep. No, you're going to, you know, give your points, give your share on stuff, because it's not about Muslims dying. It's not about, you know, Indians dying or Hindus dying. That's not the thing. We are not limited to that thing. I'm a Pakistani. I live in Chitral, and yeah, I'm a proud Pakistani. But that doesn't mean that I have hatred to other people. That doesn't mean that Indians are my, you know, they're my enemies. Haven't seen them that way. Right? So it's just an unsolvable issue. It's reaching millions. Like if it goes in the same manner, it's going to reach millions. And million deaths, I mean, why is that? It's a total chaos. It's a genocide of not Muslims or Indians or, you know, military personnel. It's a genocide of humanity, just like happening in Palestine, just like any other places which are disputed so far, just like what happened in world wars. It's the same situation going on. What do you think? Is there a solution to this? What do you expect? When do we expect this to end? Will I be living at the time when this, you know, there is a solution in Kashmir? Or will you be living? Or will other Kashmiris who are breathing right now in the areas that are disputed right now, will they be breathing till the day it gets solved? Will they leave all the areas and it turns to a barren place? There is no beauty of Kashmir, nothing else would be left. Will that be the end? I mean, there must be an end to something. If it's a political game, then what is it? Why don't we understand? Why can't I understand? Please convince me that the death of people can cause something good for others. I don't think so. So please leave comments on this issue, and but I have to tell you one thing more. I'm going to be uploading videos just by demand, because I want people to see what they want to see, to watch what they want to watch. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'm gonna upload videos every week. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.